Are you looking for a way to bring in a little extra income without it feeling like a job that you dread? Something enjoyable, meaningful, and yes, something that actually pays? Well, today I'm going to share 5 enjoyable side jobs that are perfect for seniors. And I think you'll be surprised at just how fun and rewarding they can be. Hi, I'm Rainey, and welcome to the channel. This channel is all about helping seniors and those approaching retirement to discover enjoyable ways to earn an income and live a more fulfilling life. I'm on this journey too, right alongside you. And together we're building a supportive community of people who want to thrive, not just get by. If that sounds like you, go ahead and hit the subscribe so you don't miss out. All right, let's dive right into it. Here are 5 enjoyable side jobs for seniors that actually pay. So let's start with one of my favorites, pet sitting or dog walking. Honestly, who doesn't love spending time with animals? This is perfect if you enjoy getting outside, getting a little exercise, and having a furry companion or two by your side. And the best part, people are always looking for reliable pet care. It's fun, flexible, and pays surprisingly well. Number 2 is house sitting. Imagine being trusted to watch over someone's home while they're away. And in return, you get paid to relax in a comfortable place. Sometimes that even means staying somewhere new and exciting, almost like a mini vacation. It's low stress, and it's a great way to feel useful and responsible without heavy lifting or long hours. Next up, tutoring or mentoring. Seniors have a lifetime of knowledge, skill, and wisdom to share, whether it's helping kids with homework, teaching English online, or even mentoring young professionals in your old field. This is a rewarding way to stay engaged and make a real difference. And yes, you can make a steady income of doing it. Number 4 is gardening for others. That's one of my favorites because I love gardening. So if you love to be outdoors and getting your hands in the soil, why not turn that passion into an income? Many people would love a beautiful garden, but they don't have the time or the know-how. So you could be that person who makes it happen and get paid while enjoying fresh air, sunshine, and maybe even some homegrown veggies along the way. And number 5, running errands or shopping for others. Seniors often have flexible schedules, and that makes you perfect for helping out busy families or neighbors, whether it's grocery shopping, pharmacy runs, or picking up a few essentials. This can be a fun, easy way to earn money and stay active. So there you have it, 5 enjoyable side jobs that are actually fun, meaningful, and pay real money. Pet sitting, house sitting, tutoring, gardening, and running errands. Which one sounds the most enjoyable to you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, this is just the beginning. I've put together over 100 income ideas for seniors in my Senior Income Encyclopedia. If you'd like to dive deeper and find the perfect fit for you, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check it out. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I share the next set of income ideas to help you thrive in your senior years. So thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to find new ways to enjoy life, earn income, and make your retirement years truly fulfilling. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.